Okay, what's this shape? 1, 2, 3.
Cone.
What's this shape?
Cone.
What's this shape?
Cylinder.
We're having a really hard time with this shape, and what's this shape?
Sphere.
The Earth is a sphere. The Earth is round, just like this. A ball is a sphere. It's round, just like this. I can grab it and touch it. Okay, what's the shape?
Sphere.
Nice job. What's the shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Not a can. A can is not a shape. A can is a cylinder, the shape of a cylinder. Okay? Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to play a new game. Okay, addition topic. Okay? We're going to shuffle the deck, and we're going to put it face down between me and my partner. Each person takes 2 cards from the top of the deck and places them face up. Players add the 2 numbers and take turns starting saying their total. Okay, so, for example, if we're both playing, I'm going to pull up a card, she's going to pull up a card. We're going to add them together. Oh my, these are tough. We're going to add them together. So how can we add these together? How can we add these together?
You could do 8 and then count 7.
Okay, so let's do that. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to say that 8, we're going to write this down, plus 7 equals 15. Okay, now we're going to go again. We're going to put these on the side because we already did these. Okay, I'm going to pull up one card. She's going to pull another card. Oh, these are big numbers. Oh, my gosh. We've got these 2 numbers. So we're going to make an addition number sentence. Who can tell me what addition number sentence this is going to be? Yeah?
10 plus 9.
Equals. Okay, beautiful. High five in the air. That was awesome. Okay, 10 plus 9. How am I going to figure it out? Who can help me figure it out? You could say what?
19.
How did you know that, though?
Because I know numbers in the T, they start with 1. So.
And so, look, he said, well, look, if I just go, ah! Check that out. Watch. This is exactly what he did. He said, well, 10, and I know there's nothing in the ones place value, so I go, what's the number?
19.
That's a trick. High five in the air. That was very sophisticated for a kindergartner, my friend. Or I could do another strategy. Tell me another strategy someone did.
You could minus.
Be careful. You could say minus.
9.
Okay. That wouldn't. 10 minus 9 is not going to give me the answer. I'm adding these up. What else could I do to get the answer? The sum.
You could get 10 plus 10, but no, it's not 10, and just get 1 less.
So what's 10 plus 10?
20.
20. Oh! This is also very sophisticated for a kindergartner. Ooh, it gave me goosebumps. So he said, well, I know 10 plus 10 is 20, but this is not a 10. It's actually 1 less. So he then says 10 plus 10 equals 20 minus 1 less. It makes it
19.
nice job. Star, both of you. Give me another way you might have thought about it.
You could use your hands.
Okay, you could say what?
So you could say, so you have 10 right here,
Okay.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Beautiful. So I love that he took the biggest number, he kept it in his head, and counted on. So here we go. Let's try it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19.
Perfectly okay. All 3 of those strategies are beautiful. So 10 plus 9 equals 13. Okay, so we're going to pick another card. Go ahead. Keep putting that over there. Oh, sorry. I was so excited to go again. I'm also noticing that our, I love that you fixed me, that our projector keeps kind of going in and out a little bit. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pick a card. She's going to pick a card. Let's stick them together. Oh my gosh. What's my number sentence going to be?
10.
What's our number sentence?
1 plus 0 equals 1.
1 plus 0 equals 1. How did you think about that?
Because I know 0 is nothing and 1 is 1.
Right. Any number plus 0 is the number. Because this is nothing. Right? Self-check. This is nothing. So if I add 2, then 0 plus 2 is
2.
2. If I add 10, 0 plus 10 is?
10.
10, yeah.
100 plus 0
Okay.
equals.
Okay, so we're going to do the next one. Here she goes. Self check. She's got a 3 and I've got a 2. How do we know what the number sentence is going to be? Number sentence.
1 plus,
What?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Okay, how are we going to know what the sum is? What does it equal? How are we going to know? What's one strategy you have for figuring that out? I'm not using names because we're videoing. Give me one strategy for figuring this out. Stop check. One strategy for figuring this out. I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to ask you again. Give me a strategy. Let me see. Give me a strategy for figuring this out.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
How do you know that? That's what I'm looking for now. How'd you figure it out?
Because you count on 3.
She's going to say 3 in her head and she's going to count on from 3 up to 2, right? So here we go. 3, 4, 5. That's one way. Give me another strategy someone might know to figure it out. Let's not wiggle that chair because every time you do, the whole projector goes.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
And 3 plus 2, so he just knew it. Okay, that's my strategy.
I already knew it.
You already knew it?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
4 plus 1 equals 5. Well, how does that help you here? I know what you're thinking. Those are all part of multiples of 5, but that's not what I'm looking for. Anyone have a different way that we have not talked about?
So 2 plus 3 equals 5, so why can't 20 plus 30 equal 50? So that can make a difference to make it 5.
Oh my gosh, well he kind of made it. If I wanted to know what 20 plus 30 is, he says, well, 2 plus 3 is 5, so if I have 20 plus 30, it's 50. I love that, but that's not what we're talking about here. Nice, you guys have got some nice math thinking going into first grade. I am very impressed. Must be because you have such a brilliant math teacher, is that true?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher Appreciation Week, my friend. How do you know 2 plus 3 equals 5?
Because 4 plus 1 more equals 5. So you add 1 more to 3, then it equals 4. So
And then
you
you have
add
to
1.
subtract 1 to here. Yeah, that's pretty sophisticated. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to turn us up.